Inflating a tire using NOCO AIR10 can be done in 3 simple steps. First, with the vehicle running, plug air into a 12-volt accessory port. Air requires the 12-volt port to include a 15-amp fuse or higher. Next, connect the air hose. No tools are needed, simply tighten by hand. When connected, air will display the tire's pressure. If a tire is less than 3 psi, it cannot be detected and the display will show the set pressure. To set a pressure between 15 and 60 psi, press the right arrow to increase or the left arrow to decrease. Hold down the arrow to quickly cycle through the numbers. Check the vehicle specifications for tire pressure settings. Set the desired pressure and press the power button. Air will now inflate the tire to the set pressure. It is normal for air to turn off and on momentarily as it approaches the target pressure. This may occur multiple times. Air will automatically shut off when the correct pressure is met. Disconnect the air hose and unplug air from the vehicle. Use caution when handling air after operation, as metal surfaces may become hot as labeled.